Alright, welcome back to the shop. Today we're doing bathouses. Got a couple requests for bathouses from people, and so you just saw the some rough cutting on the back on the chop saw, and so that gets at 20 degrees, gives a roof angle. And this is the front, and you saw the CNC doing some magic. Bathhouses need vents, so the lower part of the bathhouse needs to be vented so that when they fly in, they want to be cool, and then if they get cold, they can work their way up to the top of the bathhouse where there aren't any vents. Watched a lot from the Bat Conservatory International, really good website, and they talk about different colors. If you're in the southeast, a gray or a light stain, and then working your way up to a mid-brown, and then a darker house. But the dark ones really get some serious heat to them, so the old adage of a black bathhouse probably isn't a smart thing if you live in a hot climate. Maybe in the real upper northern parts, but even in the summer, you know, it gets smoking hot up there, so you got to be really mindful. These are also going to get vented on the side, so they'll have side vents, and then these front vents are shaped like baby bats, which I thought was kind of cool, and that'll give them ventilation. And then what we're going to do is mount a longer piece to the back. So this piece is 26 inches, the other one's 20. Recommendations, a 16-inch wide bathhouse. I'm going to come in probably a little over 14 inches. Give or take, just because this is the lumber I had, and you know, you got a 12-inch piece here, and then your sides are going to give you somewhere around 1.5 inches, maybe close to 2 inches, depending on how much I plane off. It's going to still be fine. The problem is really small bathhouses and tiny single chamber bathhouses, they just don't temperature maintain, and they don't give a variance of temperature. So these will have 3 chambers in them, so they're going to have 2 thinner plywood pieces that go up and down with holes, and I'll show you that at some point in the video too. This one's 26 because you have to account for these little critters coming in. They come in hot. They're coming in like F-14 Tomcats, and they got to hit a bottom which has to have some grooves. So this is a landing pad. It's kind of like the old Carrier, right? Less the arresting cable. So they'll come in and they'll land on here, and then they climb their way in. So what we're going to do right now is, this one's a little further along, is on the inside you got to do some scoring, and so those give you an idea of the scores. And I kind of did a crosshatch. I think crosshatching just gives a lot more surface area for grip. And then they're pretty, I can dig my fingernails right in here and hang on, so bats are easily. You can leave it rough inside and take a razor blade even. I like to build these obviously for the customer and put good quality into them for the customer, but more importantly, the reason for the scoring and how we do that is for the animals, and the whether it's a birdhouse or whatever we're doing that the creature's going to live in. It's got to be a good home for them. So putting a little extra effort into that is the way to go.